Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock air intake louder, easy method. Remove the resonator, swap to a short, smooth intake tube, and seal all joints tightly to preserve performance. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then loosen clamps and unbolt the resonator with basic hand tools. Use silicone couplers, stainless clamps, and inspect for hoses linked to sensors. Reassemble carefully and perform a test idle to check for leaks or odd noises. Gather a few simple parts and tools to keep the job quick and effective. You will need sockets, screwdrivers, silicone couplers, stainless clamps, and a short, smooth intake tube sized to your filter housing. Prioritize parts that resist heat and oil to prevent degradation. Working on a cool engine and using gloves will keep things tidy. Follow the order of removal and installation to reduce mistakes and check all seals at the end. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tips and upgrades. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, efficient cleaning, and smart scheduling, which pairs nicely with keeping your garage tidy while you work. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear sequence for safety and the best result. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first, then remove clamps and unbolt the resonator while noting any sensor or hose connections. Install the new short intake tube using silicone couplers and stainless clamps, tightening evenly to avoid distortion. Reconnect any hoses and the battery, then start the engine and listen at idle and during gentle throttle to ensure sound quality and no vacuum leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.